Hi guys, this is Stuti Gogia. In case you are listening this voice for the very first time, you can go check out my social media handles. And this is season 2 of Stuti Speaks. So if you are listening if you are a regular listener, then you know that this season is all about my guest. So today I have a very special guest with me whose name is Harshleen. And actually I know her via Instagram only. That's how I know her. But who I said that I was following few of the people, and then those people are following other people, and that's how you start building a community. So I think I saw her in once the explore section, or maybe people you may follow, ऐसा कुछ था, and that's how I sorry, that's how I checked your self love embrace podcast. And anything which is which has self love somehow attracts me, because I'm like flag bearer of self love and positivity and like loving yourself. So that's how I contacted you. And उसके बाद भी I contacted you, उसके बाद मैं भूल भी गई कि मैंने शायद contact करा था. And
Yeah, actually,
you also like
I
replied
also
after.
forgot. Yeah,
हाँ, you
yeah,
also
yeah.
replied after, I think पता नहीं कितने दिन बाद. And that's how I
Yeah.
was like, हाँ यार अभी भी कर सकते हैं. So, anyways, I'm handing it over to you. Give a bit intro about like what are you currently doing professionally or by degree, and then we
Mm-hmm.
can take the conversation forward.
Okay. So, as you have introduced me, so my name is Ashleen, and I am an aware being, I would say. I am really passionate about dancing, and yoga is my new love right now. And as a part of my professional designation, I am a French language certified analyst in one of the global leading companies.
Wow.
Yeah, and I vouch for self love a lot. That's what you have
Hmm.
said also.
Also, yeah, so professionally, even I didn't knew कि आप क्या करते. Actually, when I do podcast, I
Yeah.
prefer to keep it as candid as possible. तो अगर मैं
Yes,
किसी के
yes.
बारे में नहीं जानती ना, तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा prefer भी नहीं करती that I should add, because podcast के time फिर वो बहुत अच्छी conversation flow में
Yeah.
जाती है. So how did your self love journey started? But before I talking to you, I will start about myself. So हर किसी का होता है ना, एक phase आता है when
Yeah.
you शायद hit rock bottom kind of, or
Yeah.
not in a
Mm.
good phase, and there you realize that nobody is going to come and rescue you. You are the only one who will
Who is
like
going to rescue you?
damsel in
Yeah,
distress बनने का कोई फायदा नहीं है, especially for the feminine
exactly.
energies, because Indian women are like that only. And nobody is
Yeah.
coming to rescue you. Even if somebody comes, कोई
Hmm.
जरूरी नहीं है they'll stay for a longer time and then you are
Hmm.
rescued. So that's how your journey started, and yoga is also my newfound love. I'm like completely into yoga now, so that's another common
Wow,
thing.
that's
So
amazing.
yeah, so coming back to you again, how did your journey started?
So, my journey actually started like 2.5 years back when actually this pandemic was happening. So, I was literally suffering from crippling anxiety at that point of time, a lot of stress and lack of self-worth also. You would imagine I was suffering from a lot of lack of self-worth at that point of time. And I remember that time, pandemic also hit. And then I was like, I had to stay alone at my home. Obviously, I live with my family, but then there is some time that you have to spend alone, when I'm working or when I'm being myself. So it was really difficult for me. And it was all because of a phase that I was going through, and it was really difficult for me to handle the situations that was actually I was going that from I was actually going through. So it was kind of all messed up, I would say. My life was messed up, everything around me, like I was standing up, I was trying to stand up from a relationship, I was trying to sustain a friendship at that same moment, and there were so many financial struggles, there were so many family problems, so everything was together, all together. And plus this pandemic,
Hmm.
together about your overall well-being.
Hmm.
So all this, was it took a toll on my health a lot at that point of time. And I never was into physical fitness at that point of time also. So I started, I started that I decided actually that I don't want to end up like this. I really don't want to spend my entire life like this. So I started incorporating small, small habits into my life. Like I said, I practice yoga every single day now, and I'm really, really consistent with that. So after that, I started reading self-help books also. I started journaling, I started penning down my thoughts. And after that, journaling also helped me recognize, like, it helped me realize who I am. Like penning down your emotions literally helps. And that what I heard at that point of time. And I never really practiced, but when I practiced, I actually saw the benefits of journaling. So that I would say added a lot of benefits in my life. And after that, when I was doing yoga, it really helped me to tune into myself, because you can say that I was like literally disconnected with my own self. But when I was practicing yoga and meditation, that really helped me to connect with my own self again. So that's how I hopped onto the journey of self love. That's how I realized my own importance. Because initially when I was journaling, the thoughts were so much negative, you won't
Hmm.
imagine.
Hmm.
Because I was literally putting down those emotions which I was going through.
Hmm.
So then, just there was a change of emotion suddenly, and I realized that I feel so much better now.
Hmm.
And that's how it all started, and that's how I want everyone to understand now how important is your own self. Because at that point of time, I never valued my life. I even tried to give up on my life two
Hmm.
three times, and it was really difficult for me to survive. But
Hmm.
then I decided I just don't want to survive, I want to live. So
Hmm.
that's what I think it's all about. Just when you get a click, you get to
Click.
decide,
Hmm.
okay, I don't want this anymore. I
I don't
want to,
want to live like this anymore. And this is not
yeah.
what life is meant to be. And there are many common things which you said. And I think वो
Hmm.
बहुत लोगों के लिए common है क्योंकि pandemic के time पे you get a lot of time alone. तो जब
Yeah.
आपने अपने आप को अंडरस्टैंड करना शुरू करते हो ना, आई ऑल्सो लाइक फेल्ट द एंजाइटी लाइक 2020 में there was my anxiety was at peak like max. I've never
Hmm.
faced that level of anxiety before 2020.
Yeah.
So even I would say that, but yeah, that's how you said your self discovery starts, and that's how
Yeah,
you
exactly.
know that
I
okay, हाँ,
explored so many unexplored parts of me, I would say.
हाँ, हाँ, right. And फिर तुम you even starting surprise yourself कि अच्छा ये भी मेरी personality का part है, ये तो I
Exactly,
had no
exactly.
idea that
You
this
know,
existed.
I believe that I had already self-love in me, but as we grow up, we just hide it somewhere in our
Hmm.
hearts.
Hmm.
And I just opened the drawer of that heart, I would say. I opened the drawer of self-love, and I just found so many missing parts of myself. That's
That's what you when you like आप अपने inner child से जब connect करते हो then you got to know कि भाई
exactly,
वो ही wounded है, वो तो उसे healing की जरूरत है. That's how you start your
exactly.
journey. And
Mm.
what you said like तुम अपने आप को if you hear ना जो initially thoughts होते हैं वो कितने negative होते हैं. You are so
बहुत,
insecure about yourself because some people
exactly.
left you, तो you
Hmm.
have felt rejected. But आपने कभी
Exactly.
उसको grief को accept नहीं करा होता कि
Hmm.
ठीक है. I mean आई एक्सेप्ट कोई बात नहीं, होता है पार्ट एंड पार्सल, बिकॉज हमें बचपन से रिजेक्शन और ग्रीफिंग की
आदत नहीं,
स्कूल में
yeah.
ट्रेनिंग नहीं मिली होती दैट हाउ टू एक्सेप्ट रिजेक्शन एंड ग्रीफिंग.
Yes,
राइट, एंड
yes.
दैट्स हाउ यू
How to
स्टार्ट
handle
योर
your
जर्नी.
emotions as well. We are not
राइट.
never really taught about that thing. That how to handle your own emotions when you are left all alone. I mean,
राइट.
even if you are with your family, you feel sometimes alone when you are in that depression state or anxiety state. You feel that you are all alone. I mean, भीड़ में भी वो होता है ना that even in the भीड़ you feel all alone. So
या
that's
मतलब बहुत सारे लोग आसपास भी हैं बट होते हुए भी कोई नहीं है. That's
exactly,
the kind of feeling you have.
yeah.
And once you open that door of self love, उसके बाद you don't actually need people. उसके बाद तो you're on
Exactly.
autopilot mode. उसके बाद तो बस life enjoy करते हुए आप चल रहे हो.
Exactly. I
But yeah,
even
journaling helps.
hmm,
हाँ,
generally
sorry,
helps.
you were
Generally
saying say.
helps.
You were
So
saying
I
something.
said that even started going out on dates with myself, and that was like really, really, a rare thing for me, I would say. Because even if now I go on a date with myself now, there are so many people that are sitting around me and they're just staring me with those weird eyes, like, oh my god, why is she all alone? I mean, on Valentine's Day, you would imagine I went on a date with myself and I was all alone. But people around me, they were just, I don't know, they were seeing me with or watching me with such weird eyes that, okay, she's all alone, she's having her coffee, I don't know. And I'm like, why you are staring me? Like, I mean,
Hmm.
why?
Hmm.
And I think it's because it's not normal in our society.
It's
We
not
have
normal.
we have not made it normal. We are not used to it, and that's because it's not normal.
So true.
So
The people are like actually used to seeing you in groups or with someone.
exactly,
Hmm.
exactly.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This same happened with me. I was on a solo trip and I was eating a cake and coffee, I think, at some of the workspaces. So
Hmm.
there's this girl who came and who said, "Are you alone? Do you need company?" Man, go, no, I don't need it. I am here because I don't need a company. That's why I travel so far because obviously मैं घर में रहती हूँ. I have friends or I have
Obviously,
people around,
obviously, yeah.
and I've traveled like 400, 500 kilometers just to be alone. I don't need a company. So yeah, we should normalize it. But
Hmm.
anyways, no judgment. I'm
Yeah.
thankful that she asked, maybe just for generosity. Yeah,
Hmm.
sometimes people feel that okay, maybe
कोई
somebody is
बोर ना हो
alone,
रहा हो, maybe, yeah.
born now, which is
Hmm.
fine. But yeah, that's like we need to normalize that it in. So how
Hmm.
did the idea of podcast started then? How did the idea of
So
podcast came in?
I would say idea of podcast was really, really spontaneous. I never really planned on podcast. I loved dancing. Then I just hopped onto yoga thing, but I never really thought of podcasting. I mean, it was altogether new for me, and even I was not on social media. You won't imagine this. Wasn't on Instagram. I wasn't on Facebook. I was like completely away from all these things, social things. So it's not that I didn't like at that point of time being social, but I just didn't like the idea of social media thing. I don't know why. But now like things have changed. But then suddenly I just randomly made my account on Instagram, and I was just scrolling through one day through the feed, and I just found one podcast workshop app.
Hmm.
And at that point of time, I had realized my own importance to some extent, I would say. But then I wanted to speak about it. I knew that I wanted to speak about it, but I didn't know what and exactly how. Plus, podcast was altogether new for me. और मेरे तो दिमाग में कभी नहीं आया that podcast के through I can communicate this thing. So I was just watching कि अच्छा लोग reels बना रहे हैं, this is the medium, you can share things, okay. But then podcast, when I saw the workshop, I was like, no, okay, let's just enroll for this workshop. And it was not so I would say expensive as well, so I thought maybe why not give it a try.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I attended that workshop, and it hit me really hard that I need to do this. Okay,
Hmm.
then suddenly after 1 month, I started my own podcast.
Wow.
It was so spontaneous. I tell you, it was so spontaneous. I never really planned on it ever,
Hmm.
ever, ever in my lifetime. So I just want to incorporate, or I would say embed the feeling of self love in each one of in every person. I just want to embed that feeling that it is important to know your importance. So
So
that
true.
is how this
Hmm.
beautiful podcast happened, I would say.
Actually, till the time we are not aware of our self importance, yeah, our
Exactly.
how much we love ourselves, we start projecting our insecurity in others, and that's how the relationship stopped working. Like it's not about romantic relationships, it's all about friendship too. Because
Yeah.
the when the insecurities and things start popping in, you project it on other people, right?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
life is a mirror.
Blame. Yeah.
Life
We
is a
blame
mirror.
each other.
We
Yeah.
blame each other के
Yeah.
तेरी वजह से ये and तुम्हारी वजह से ये.
Exactly.
Because
Exactly.
we are not seeking ourselves worthy. So जब हम
Hmm.
अपने आप को भी कुछ and I think अभी lately ना इससे मुझे एक याद आया. If you see Netflix पे there is a series Never Have I Ever,
Yeah.
the
I've
Netflix.
seen that. It's amazing. It's
हाँ, तो
amazing. I
उसके
loved.
थर्ड सीजन में द गर्ल, उसका जो बॉयफ्रेंड होता है, वो उसे ब्रेकअप कर लेता है. वो उसे बोलता है कि
Exactly.
यही बोलता है
Yeah.
दैट इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड योर वर्थ आई कैन नॉट, लाइक मैं तुम्हें बार बार नहीं बोल सकता दैट
Yeah.
यू आर
Yeah. Yeah.
अमेजिंग, यू
Yeah.
आर
Yeah.
ब्यूटीफुल,
Yeah.
यू आर.
Yes.
अगर तेरी
Yes.
अपनी
Yes.
इनसिक्योरिटी है तो कीप इट विद
So
यू.
keep it with you.
Yeah,
Exactly.
and that's a teenage drama. I'm no more a teenager, but I so much felt like आपका inner child उससे relate कर सकता है, that how
बहुत
much.
बहुत
So
बहुत
it's like
because
you need to overcome your own insecurity. That's how you,
exactly,
and self
exactly.
love.
And that can only happen when you accept yourself. When you are not able to accept yourself, when you're not able to accept your imperfections, you can never really realize that how amazing you are. So you need to accept it, and you need to know that you need to work for something better. Like self love is, what is self love? Like realizing basically that you are accepting your own imperfections, and then you're working towards something better or something best in your life. So
So
that's
true.
what self-love is. So I think that's important to know.
Important. So now अब थोड़ा सा second part पे चलते हैं, like what you think are the 4, 5, 6 major pointers, whatever you feel like, can help you to achieve that kind of love or acceptance. Maybe you tell, I'll tell with my experience अगर मुझे कुछ लगेगा तो, but yeah, you tell with your experience. आपको क्या क्या pointers लगते हैं?
I think accepting your own self begins with the physical acceptance the most, because हम बहुत इनसिक्योर होते हैं अपनी बॉडी को लेके. आई
So
हैव
true.
सीन दैट, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड दैट विद माई सेल्फ. आई डोंट नो, लाइक आई यूज टू बी दैट पर्सन, आई यूज टू बी पीपल प्लीज, आई वुड से. आई used to take validations from other, I used to please others, and I used to, you know, dress the way, okay, ठीक है, किसी को पसंद आएगा तो then I'll wear those clothes. But then I realized that it is so much important to actually accept your body, and self love begins from that, and that self love is so strong, क्योंकि accept करना ही कितना मुश्किल होता है कई बार अपनी body को. Like I meet so many people, especially ना, ये होता है that fat women होती है, उनको problem होती है, they can't accept their own bodies.
So
और
true.
वो and it is because people body shame them. It's because of that. तो वो ना चाहते हुए भी they are not able to, you know, चाहते हुए भी they are not able to accept it. So that's where you can begin your self love or acceptance for self love. That begin with your body, begin with realizing that how amazing you are, and if you need to change something, just change for your
Then
own self.
So true.
Don't change anything for anyone. Okay, if you want to get married, अच्छा उन्होंने कहा है पतला होने के लिए, don't do that. If until and unless you don't feel that you need to put down some weight, or, you know, lose some weight, don't lose weight. If you love your body like that, just be the way you are. So that's what I think, that's the most you know, that's the vibration of accepting your own body is really high. So when you accept it, so it's the most amazing thing that you can give to your own
I
self,
think
I would say.
half of the journey आपकी वहीं पे खत्म हो
Exactly.
जाती, because सबसे
Exactly.
ज्यादा body issues होते हैं. And I think, I mean, if you are fat and if you love yourself, there is no point that you have to lose weight, and until unless आपको कोई clinical problem नहीं है because of your weight, which is then again you need to improve that. But yeah, if you are okay, then fine. If you are not, then crib करने से better है कि मैं मोटी हूँ या मैं पतली हूँ. It's better you work towards it.
Work
हाँ,
for it.
work
But if you're working for your own self, it's fine.
Yeah,
but
it's
don't
fine.
do it for any other person. Like if your friend has told you, अरे तू थोड़ा weight lose कर ले, बहुत ज़्यादा मोटी है, don't do that for that.
क्योंकि
If you
वही external validation में तो
exactly
anyway कुछ मिलेगा नहीं.
exactly वो उसमें कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. And the second most thing I think is important to forgive your own self. I mean, a lot of times we find it so difficult to, you know, forgive our own selves, क्योंकि कितनी बार हम अपने आप से rudely बोलते हैं, कितनी बार we talk so negatively to ourselves, and that we don't know that is hampering our mental health a lot. And I think to use positive words, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, but then forgiving your own self for saying those words is really important. And then again, accepting it, accepting the fact that you have said it, now you forgive it, and then just move on. Life is about letting go. Life is not about holding
on. This is very important point, and I would like to add to this is, there's an energy chart. Obviously we are doing audio, तो हम कुछ देख नहीं सकते. There is an energy chart which is available. Guilt is the most low vibrational energy, and what is actually happening is we are guilty because हमने forgive ही नहीं करा अपने आप को. So वो guilt से we move to more lower vibration. जो हो गया वो हो चुका है. Like you can always be past that person. That version didn't have that wisdom. Move that version. I mean, so software भी तो upgrade होता रहता है ना. ऐसे थोड़ी है bug आ गया
we
तो
also need to upgrade ourselves, right?
हाँ, तो bug आ गया तो हम उसे fix करके उसके next version पे चल जाएंगे. Bug आ गया तो उसके लिए guilty थोड़ी feel करते रहोगे यार, like कि यही version है, iPhone 12 है तो 12 पे ही रहेंगे, अब change नहीं करेंगे. तो you need to work on. So that's, yeah, like really very deep point. And any more, like you can continue if you have any more pointers.
Yeah, so I think that it is the guilt thing. I really want to continue with that. When we stay with the guilt, actually, that that creates blockages, and that
Hmm.
creates blockages in your heart chakra.
Chakra.
That's what
Oh.
I've learned, and it is so bad, you know. कुछ भी कुछ उससे रिलेटेड आपके फ्यूचर में होगा ना, तो देन यू विल बी एबल टू रिलेट टू इट अगेन, एंड आप फिर उसी पोजीशन पे पहुंचोगे जहाँ पे आपने स्टार्ट किया था. So that's why it is important to forgive yourself. And I think these two things, by accepting and forgiving yourself and trusting on yourself, is the most important thing. Because हम क्या करते हैं, अगेन इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एक्सटर्नल वैलिडेशंस, हम अपने आप पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे, बट देन अगर हमें कोई दूसरा बोलेगा, वी विल यू नो इंस्टेंटली ट्रस्ट हिम और ट्रस्ट हर, even if it's our best friend.
So true.
So it's important to realize that trusting yourself and believing yourself is extremely vital, is so much important, that it can really take you to heights if you do that, if
So
you
true.
have that thing in your heart.
Right. इसमें I have a view on it. Maybe
Mhm.
I'm not sure how much you agree on that or not. Trust ki if I talk about na, in a other sense, we don't trust people as well. Not in the sense
Yeah.
that good things make people are saying fine.
Hmm.
We being like 20 like century में we have stopped trusting people because of our breakups or जो भी history, maybe your friend ditching you or friends leaving you or whatever. So बहुत ज़्यादा ना abandonment issues भी रह जाते हैं. So you don't trust the people and love that is coming to you. That's how your heart chakra blocked. And मैं chakras की बात कम करती हूँ because I'm not sure कि लोग मुझे बोलते हैं ये spirituality की बात करती है हर podcast में. But anyway वो हो ही जाता है. मैं
No, I
कुछ नहीं
love
कर
talking
सकती.
about it.
Same here. तो वो heart chakra आपका तब भी block होता है because you stop.
Exactly,
क्योंकि
yeah.
आपको लगता है एक बंदे के साथ आपका ऐसा experience है तो ये continuously repeat होता रहेगा.
Yeah.
वो इसलिए repeat नहीं हो रहा कि लोग ऐसे हैं, वो इसलिए repeat हो रहा है because आप अपना lesson नहीं ले रहे हो.
You're not
You are not
accepting,
learning it.
you're not
The day-
learning.
The day you are accepting love कि ठीक है, not everybody will love you the way you want, but it's okay. Still you can love people, still you can trust people. Like उस frequency से maybe reciprocate नहीं होगा, but love तो फिर भी है ना यार. Everybody's
Exactly,
love and light.
exactly.
So they might not like आपको अगर किसी से romantically angled love चाहिए, maybe you don't get it, but you get it in some other form, or maybe you get it in किसी और बंदे से you are getting it. तो वो आपको नहीं चाहिए, आप भी तो उधर नहीं दे रहे हो ना. It's like a vicious circle. So it's like the more you accept I am accepting love in all forms, the more your heart chakra get open. And I think
So
we should
true.
trust people on that. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा यार, लोग आपकी expectation पे खड़े नहीं उतरेंगे, you will feel ditched. उससे क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं है. Learn, take a learning, move on. ठीक है, आपको अगली बार उतनी एनर्जी मत दो, कोई बात नहीं, which is fine.
Exactly.
But you can't stop loving people just because कि आपको उतनी reciprocation frequency नहीं मिल रही है. So yeah, I just wanted to add to that because
yes.
वो बहुत बड़ा heart chakra blockage, and I've created that blockages in my life in past. So that's why I also want people कि भाई वो सब मत करो अपने साथ. So yeah, that was anything which more मेरे को जो help करी, मुझे inner child healing भी बहुत help करी. I went back to my childhood, picked up the issues जो मेरे साथ बचपन में थे, and then I healed them one by one, and that also helped me in being like more self-love energy.
I would say that affirmations and visualizations have helped me a lot in
Okay.
my life. So when I was practicing yoga, I started practicing meditation as well. So while I was meditating, I think it's related to you.
Again. Carry on.
So I started on with meditation, and for me, meditation was completely different. I mean, I basically collaborated meditation, visualizations, and affirmations. So while I was meditating, I was doing affirmations. Like after 4 to 5 minutes, I was doing affirmations, and then I was doing visualizations. So the impact was so strong altogether for me that literally helped me, you know, to create that positive energy around me. So that is the point, I think, that has helped me a lot. That's one more point that has helped me a lot, I'd say.
Because you sandwiched ना, वो एक तरह से sandwich effect हो
Exactly,
जाता है.
yeah.
And plus you were journaling also. I think वो journaling, affirmation, meditation, and मतलब यही main 3-4 tools है यार, that will help you. आपका inner child भी heal हो जाएगा उसी से, और आपकी past hurt भी उसी से heal हो जाएंगे. So it's like हर चीज is interrelated. And yeah, meditation, so it's like now very important part of my life. I'm like being meditation. I think जो लोग नहीं कर सकते, मैं उन्हें यही बोलूँगी, try with 10 minutes consistency.
Exactly.
10
Even
minutes,
if it's
30
for
days.
like 5 minutes, I would say. मतलब even if it's for 5 minutes, but just stay consistent with that 5 minutes.
Stay
And
consistent with that.
then when you see the benefits, now automatically the
फिर
time
बढ़ा दोगे आप.
increases.
हाँ.
Obviously.
I started with 10 minutes only. But
Yeah.
10 के बाद मुझे 3 months 6 months में जो changes देखने लगे ना, वो force me to try like कि यार मैं क्यों नहीं कर रही हूँ ये, मैं अपनी life में ये कैसे miss कर सकती हूँ. And now
I
I go for
even after this, like when I started this thing, meditation and visualization, then I also did the Sudarshan Kriya from Art of Living.
Art of Living.
And
Okay.
that totally changed the game of meditation for me. Like that is
Okay.
completely different. It's I think 15 to 20 minutes it takes for one meditation session, and that is also really amazing. I would say that is super amazing.
वो I think हर किसी को जिसको जहाँ ड्रॉन फील हो वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग मेडिटेशन कर ले. आई डू विपासना, मैंने
Yeah.
विपासना करा हुआ है तो आई डू विपासना. बट जिसको जो भी ठीक लगे यार, अगर आपको किसी भी मेथड पे ड्रॉइंग
That is what,
फील हो रहा है.
yeah,
हाँ.
that is where जहाँ पे आपको you
आपको
are able to
ड्रॉन फील हो रहा है.
connect.
हाँ.
Yeah, wherever you are able to connect.
People do with Brahma Kumaris, people do with
Yeah,
Sadhguru.
yeah.
I mean, जो आपको लगे कि where you are able to relate, आप वो कर लो. But the thing is कि करो. That's the point कि करो.
Exactly.
हाँ.
It's so much
but
important.
and meditation से ना बहुत ज़्यादा awareness आ जाती है. Like you feel
हाँ,
like हाँ मतलब
exactly.
आप जब अपनी shadow
It's
और light like dark side में जा भी रहे होते हो ना, तो आपको mind पे पता चल रहा है कि मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है. आप कर रहे हो लेकिन ठीक है कर दोगे बिकॉज आप ह्यूमन हो. इमोशंस आप नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते सारे, बट आपको उस टाइम माइंड में पता चल रहा होता है कि मैं गुस्सा कर रही हूँ या फिर मेरे को ये पर्टिकुलर इमोशन फील हो रहा है जो कि शायद इतना पॉजिटिव नहीं है
नहीं
मेरे
है,
लिए या
exactly,
सामने
yeah.
वाले के लिए. बट या मतलब अवेयरनेस आना भी आई थिंक बहुत बड़ी बात है क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजों में हमें अवेयरनेस भी नहीं होती. And that's how
Exactly.
we
Now, even I would say that I get vibes from people that okay, exactly. It's not related to judgment. I would say I get a vibe of like whether I will be able to connect with that person or not, whether
so
my
true.
thoughts will be able to match with her or him maybe. So it's all about vibes. You get to know yourselves. That's what meditation is it creates so much awareness that you know yourself. You actually realize your true essence, I would say.
और आप ना वो शील्डिंग भी क्रिएट कर पाते हो. इट्स नॉट अगेन
Exactly.
नॉट सेइंग
Yeah.
अबाउट के जजमेंट, बट आपको पता है कि मुझे इससे इतना डिस्टेंस अब रखना है बिकॉज द
Exactly.
पर्सन इज नॉट वाइब्रेटिंग ऑन द फ्रीक्वेंसी आई एम करंटली वाइब्रेटिंग. ईदर द पर्सन नीड टू ramp up the game, right?
Exactly,
or
yeah.
you need to protect yourself, otherwise you will be pulled down और फिर ना उसका फायदा होने वाला है ना आपका फायदा होने वाला है. So yeah, you now know that कि हाँ भाई मुझे अपनी shielding कैसे create करनी है.
Exactly.
And हाँ, in energy level we call it energy protection and
Yes.
being like creating
It's
your
sort
own
of,
bubble.
I would say it's sort of a green thing for me. Something really positive, green and yellow.
Green and yellow.
I surround myself with that light. I know
Because
it may
maybe
sound weird to people to hear
No.
all this stuff
No.
because
I'm currently doing a course on aura reading, and
oh
obviously
wow, that's
green and yellow is very positive aura.
Yeah,
Specifically
yeah,
green
yeah.
because it's a heart chakra color,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So that's how and yellow is solar plexus. So obviously green and yellow is very very positive aura.
yeah.
और आपको actually में genuinely which you are saying ना, आपको genuinely पता चल जाएगा कि हाँ मतलब कितने level तक मेरा connect है and how much I need to talk to this person so that I feel protected. And
Exactly.
that's how your and वही पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि somehow ना ये सब कुछ आगे अगेन एंकर हो जाता है स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे, इवन इफ वी वांट टू डू इट और नॉट.
Yes, absolutely. It's all related to spirituality, yeah. It's all.
बट या बहुत ही मतलब इट्स लाइक जैसे यू कनेक्ट टू पीपल ना तो यू कैन गेट द वाइब्स. तो अभी भी आई एम टॉकिंग तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो अपना सा ही फील हो रहा है ना. हाँ यार बात.
Exactly.
So we can
Yeah.
talk for
I
hours.
mean, our
Rapport.
vibe is also same. Like
Same.
you have also done the same thing, so maybe that is also the reason that we are able to connect more, and we are obviously talking so much.
So anyway, then we actually वो बोलते हैं ना, मुझे frequency chart याद है properly.
Yeah.
So there is a frequency for love which is 500. So what I say now is love is not a feeling, it's a vibration.
It's
And
a
when you are
vibration,
vibrating on that energy, उसके बाद सब प्यार है. उसके बाद आपको एक पर्टिकुलर बंदे से प्यार नहीं है, उसके बाद आपको हर चीज से प्यार है. मतलब
Exactly.
क्योंकि हर चीज प्यार ही है. So that's what I have felt in my मतलब एक्चुअली में क्या होता है, जब शुरू शुरू में आप किसी रिलेशनशिप में जाते हो, आप वो लव फील कर सकते हो क्योंकि आप लव पे वाइब्रेट कर रहे होते हो.
Hmm.
इवेंचुअली आप उस लव वाइब्रेशन पे वाइब्रेट करना बंद कर देते हो, एंड यू
Exactly.
कम डाउन टू एंगर,
Hmm.
नॉन एक्सेप्टेंस एंड
Hmm.
ऑल दोज लोअर फ्रीक्वेंसीज. एंड उसके बाद गैप बढ़ जाता है और उसके बाद
Hmm.
आपको अच्छा लगना बंद हो जाता है.
Yeah.
सो सो दैट्स नॉट लाइक आप फिर उस पे
And
उस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे ही नहीं हो.
I
हाँ.
also feel that is because we are not filling our own cup.
हाँ.
This is because of that.
हम्म.
Even if it's a friendship, I would say, not even a relationship, even if it's a normal friendship,
हम्म.
um, you are not able to, match up with your best friend the way you used to. So I
हम्म.
think it's because of that you are not able to you're not able to fill your own cup. And when you're
हम्म.
not able to fill your own cup of love, of acceptance, of everything, so you cannot give into that relationship, you cannot give into that friendship, I would say. So
हम्म.
that is important. It is important until and unless you cannot serve yourself, you will not be able to serve others. Okay, it is
हम्म.
so important to realize that just fill your own cup first. It's
हम्म.
not selfish. I have come across a lot of
People.
comments or people, you could say that self-love is selfish. It's not selfish, it's selfless love.
हम्म. हम्म.
It's so selfless that you tend to spread love when
So
you
true.
when you accept yourself and you love yourself. You tend to spread love, you are able to
हम्म.
connect with more people,
हम्म.
and connect with more people really well. It's
So
not
true.
about just connecting for the fake thing, it's about real connections, I would say.
So true.
So it is really really important for me, I would say.
राइट, क्योंकि आप वो चीज दे नहीं सकते जो आपके पास खुद की नहीं है. राइट,
Yeah,
तो अपना
exactly.
कप फिल नहीं होगा तो आप बोल रहे हो इट्स लाइक यू आर हैविंग 100 एंड यू आर नॉट फिलिंग इट टू 1000 एंड गिविंग 90 ऑलरेडी, तो आप
Yeah.
ड्रेन्ड ही फील करोगे हमेशा. एंड यू वांट टू लाइक, और इसके अलावा मेरे को एक और पॉइंट जो मुझे लगा हम बात कर सकते हैं, पीपल
Mm-hmm.
लाइक यू कैन फील अनकंडीशनल लव फॉर पीपल, राइट. आपको हो सकता है कि मेरे को किसी फ्रेंड से, किसी रोमांटिक या अपने पेरेंट्स फॉर अनकंडीशनल लव है, विच इज फाइन, बट अनकंडीशनल टॉलरेंस इज नॉट लाइक द अदर
Yeah.
पीपल पर्सन इज टेकिंग यू फॉर टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड स्टिल यू आर
Hmm.
लविंग. क्योंकि आप एनर्जी एक्सचेंज नहीं कर रहे हो ना,
Exactly.
जितनी एनर्जी आप दे रहे हो उतनी मिलेगी नहीं, मिलने
Hmm.
नहीं, तो आपको हमेशा ड्रेन्ड ही फील होगा क्योंकि आपको हमेशा
Hmm.
लगेगा मैं ही कर रही हूँ, मैं ही कर रही हूँ, मैं तो
Exactly.
तभी उतना ही प्यार आप जिसको दे रहे हो ना, उससे पहले खुद को दे दो. एंड
Huh. And I
दैट्स हाउ.
think this one point came into my mind by this tolerance related. So I think that a lot of times what we do is we are in a relationship, but when we really don't want to be in a relationship. I mean, we are
Many a times.
just in a relationship for the sake of being in a relationship or for the sake of being with someone. I think we are scared of being
Hmm.
alone or what. I have also released one episode related to that, and I've talked very deep about it.
Hmm.
So I think that we are not able to accept the fact that we can live by our own if until and unless we don't find a suitable partner or a person who respects us the same way.
Hmm.
I know the love thing, it is like a wave. Okay, it goes up
Hmm.
and down, goes up and down, but it is important to realize, okay, this is the one person that I want to stay with, and
Hmm.
you are doing anything and everything to sustain it. But if it is not happening, it's not your fault. Just get
Hmm.
out of it. And I
Hmm.
mean, that's what I said. Like, we are just sometimes we are in a relationship for the sake of being
Take off.
with someone rather than being alone.
आई थिंक वो पता
we
क्या
we
होता
are
है,
scared of being alone, I would say.
वो ना ट्रॉमा बॉन्ड या टॉक्सिक बॉन्ड बन जाता है. रीजन बीइंग
हाँ.
आपको एक कंफर्ट लेवल की आदत हो गई, राइट, कि यू
Exactly.
हैव समवन टू गो बैक टू बिकॉज
Yes.
यू आर स्केयर्ड ऑफ accepting the lowest time alone, right?
Hmm.
And that's how you create that toxic bond. I'm not saying not every bond is that, but मेरे ख्याल से जो मुझे समझ में आया through my past relationship और चीजें, अगर आप किसी रिलेशनशिप में हो और 30 में से 20 दिन या 22 दिन आप दुखी हो, तो यू आर नॉट इन अ राइट रिलेशनशिप.
Yes,
इट्स लाइक
obviously.
अगर आप 7-8 दिन ही खुश हो, यानी हफ्ते में आप एक दिन खुश रहते हो या 2 दिन मैक्सिमम, और उसके अलावा 4 दिन आप उस बंदे या उस बंदे की किसी चीज या फैमिली से दुखी हो, किसी भी पार्ट से, यू आर नॉट इन अ राइट रिलेशनशिप फॉर श्योर. मतलब
Hmm.
ये मेरे को लगा. अब
Hmm.
आप किसी ट्रॉमा या टॉक्सिक बॉन्ड में हो, देयर इज नो पॉइंट यू आर
Hmm.
गेटिंग द बॉन्ड्स व्हिच आर गुड वेयर टू पीपल आर ग्रोइंग टुगेदर.
Exactly, exactly.
एंड
And two
दैट
people
इंक्लूड्स
are
फिजिकल ग्रोइंग आल्सो. यानी ये नहीं है
exactly.
कि भाई मतलब मतलब होता है यार, एक कोई बंदा अपनी फिजिकल फिटनेस पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहा और तुम भी नहीं दे रहे हो, एंड नीदर
हाँ।
ऑफ अस आर, नीदर ऑफ यू टू आर लाइक प्रमोटिंग ईच अदर कि भाई कुछ कर अपनी बॉडी के लिए। आई थिंक वो सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट होता है। एंड पीपल मैंने देखा है भाई, वो पहले जिम जा रहे होते हैं, पहले अच्छी खासी उनकी बॉडी होती है, एंड वंस दे आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप, भाई वो सब कुछ छोड़ देते हैं। तुम ये सब
Yeah.
किसी और के लिए कर रहे थे क्या? और मैं नहीं बोल रही यार, मैंने भी हो सकता है कभी किया हो,
Yeah.
सो नो जजमेंट, आई टेक माय वर्ड्स
Yes,
बैक।
yes, yes.
इसका मतलब आप किसी और उसके बाद वो रिलेशनशिप वाला बंदा भी या बंदे भी आपको नहीं बोल रहा कि भाई पहले तो
Hmm.
तू अच्छा खासा करता था और अब तू नहीं कर रहा,
हाँ.
तो भाई ग्रोथ कहाँ हो रही है? और ये फिजिकल पॉइंट ना लोग बिल्कुल बिल्कुल इग्नोर कर देते हैं, बिल्कुल ही। आई थिंक यही सबसे बड़ा रेड फ्लैग हो जाता है, जो आपको सोच लेना चाहिए कि अगर आप फिजिकली फिट नहीं हो रहे हो ना किसी रिलेशनशिप में, तो आप बिल्कुल ही जेन्युइनली किसी सही रिलेशनशिप में नहीं हो, क्योंकि
Exactly.
आज की डेट में फिजिकल फिटनेस आई थिंक इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग।
I think it's important, but if a person is living you, apart from this physical thing, like he's accepting you as the way you are, until and unless he's not accepting you the way you are, it's not love. If it's for physical love as well.
So
Matlab,
true.
it's not only about your body. Your body is only yours, and you need to accept it. No one else need to accept that. So you need to accept it first, that you are happy the way you are. If you want to change it for yourself. It's not about, and it's what you're talking about is, I think, mutual growth.
Interrelated है। हाँ,
You're talking about mutual growth, I think.
म्यूचुअल
So
ग्रोथ या।
I think it's all about motivation. ठीक है? It's about that ki, okay, if you are doing it, okay, I get motivated by you, I will also start doing it. So I also feel, ऐसा होता है ना, that if someone is doing it, तो हम थोड़ा सा एक अजीब सी वो होती feeling that, okay, I should also try this, maybe this can work for me.
फॉर
So I
मी।
think that is growth. That
हाँ,
is growth.
मतलब मैं
So
नेगेटिव सेंस में नहीं बोलना चाह रही,
हाँ जी.
मतलब आई इवन डोंट वांट टू लाइक, इफ देयर आर लाइक टू पीपल राइट, माय पॉइंट
Yes.
इज कि बॉडी आपका फर्स्ट होम इज बॉडी,
Exactly.
एंड व्हेन
Exactly.
एनी ऑफ यू इज नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देम, लाइक मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि आप जिम में बिल्कुल 1 2 3 घंटे जाओ, 15 20 minutes of a good exercise, 30 minutes of a good
Yes. Yes.
exercise, but
It
you
really
are,
opens your mind. It really
हाँ,
opens
you are
your
like
body.
taking care of, genuinely taking care of your body in some or other form, and you are also like, मतलब दूसरा बंदा भी कहीं ना कहीं, यू बोथ आर ग्रोइंग टुगेदर, दैट्स व्हाट आई
Mhm.
मेंट। मतलब मेरा ये
Yeah.
मतलब है कि अगर तुम दो दो लोग हैं जो हेल्थ कॉन्शियस थे, एंड व्हेन दे मेट नाउ दे आर इन रिलेशनशिप, और तो भाई वो सारा ध्यान उनका खाने पे है, दे आर लाइक
Hmm.
फूड, और ये हर कोई फूडी होता है, बट लाइक यू आर
I would
गेनिंग
say
वेट।
if I would say if pandemic has taught us something now, it has taught us about our overall well-being, our physical fitness, our
सो
emotional
ट्रू,
well-being,
सो
everything.
ट्रू।
So I think most of the people are now aware of their health, and they are not gravitated towards bad health. So I just hope so everyone believes that.
बिलीव्स इन दैट। हाँ,
Yeah.
एनीवेज हमारा ना थोड़ा सेल्फ लव से आते आते डाइवर्ट हो गया,
Exactly,
फिजिकल
yeah.
फिटनेस पे आ गया, स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे आ गया, फिजिकल,
Yes.
एनीवेज सो we have like talked a lot.
Hmm.
Let's give a parting notes to listener. You give the parting notes, like how you feel that something they can anchor so that it can start their self love journey.
So, as I said, that starting your self-love journey, it's not just a one-day thing, I would say. If you are starting, or if you're thinking about, loving yourself, or if you get the idea of accepting yourself, you just need to trust. It's a gradual process, I would say, to everyone who's listening out to me right now. It's a gradual process. Take one step at a time, little by little, and take small steps, like go out on a date with yourself. Do something that really amps up your well-being. Like for me, it was tuning into my passion, which was dancing. I started dancing like maybe 15 minutes, 10 minutes again, because I used to do that when I was, very small. But
Small.
then I kind of, dropped it. But still, I'm so much passionate about dancing. Whenever there's a song playing, I mean, I just get up and I just dance. It's like that. So for me, that's how I, you know, took it took me back to my childhood, I would say. So that strong the impact was. So I would say that do those things that you love, don't miss out on those things that you don't, that you do not, that you love. Don't miss
Hmm.
out on that. So even if it's like, going out on a walk, maybe going out on a run, do those things which actually help you to uh, energize, which creates an enthusiasm in you.
Hmm.
It is by that you will be able to literally increase the vibration of self love in your own self. And I always say this, it's all about letting go.
Letting go.
And it's about conscious choice of letting go, that I don't want to stay with this, I want to let go of this. Just stay with that conscious choice of letting go, and just flow with life. I mean,
So true.
flowing through life is the most amazing thing. Everyone faces struggles in their lives, everyone goes through a lot. And it's not that only we are going, हमें क्या लगता है that हमारी struggle is so much, it's so much bigger than everyone else's. It's not that. Everyone is going through something or the other, and we need to realize that we need to be kind to ourselves. We need to be kind to others as well, because they might be going through something that you don't know.
Hmm.
Facebook and Instagram pe we only see the goody things.
So
Don't
true.
see the background picture. Okay, if someone is successful, they put all the successful things on the stories, on Instagram stories, on social media, but they don't put that struggle.
Hmm.
You have
Hmm.
not seen that. So
Hmm.
I would say that it's a gradual process. Never compare your journey
Jen-
with anyone else's journey. Your journey is different. Other person's journey is different. So keeping these small things in mind is going to help you to hop onto your journey of self love, I would say. And all these things, and for more, obviously you can listen to my podcast.
Yeah. That was
Yeah.
even I was coming to. I will anyways market it wherever I'm marketing this podcast. So
Yeah.
yeah, but thank you so much, Harshlin. It was amazing talking to you. I was never thinking कि हम इतनी देर तक बात करेंगे. It's already 40 minutes and we talked. So thank you so very much, and thanks listeners for listening to us. Stay happy, stay
Thank you
blessed,
so
and
much.
thank you so much. Stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly, stay grateful. Thank you.